Welcome to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I will show you how to play music through mic on Roblox. So first you need to open your Roblox homepage and then sign in your account, and then you need to make sure that you enable your voice chat. So you need to verify your age and your email address. So once you've done right there, you need to go to Google Chrome, and from here you need to type on voice mod. And right here, you'll find the link. So we will go to the first link, the voicemod.net. So click this one and we'll try to download this application. And once you've done right there, you'll find the homepage of VoiceMod as you can see. And then you need to scroll down, then click on Get VoiceMod Free. Now sign up your account using Google. Now, once you've done signing up, you need to go right here on this page and then you need to click this download voice mod. Now, as you can see, download started, so you need to just wait for a few minutes until you downloaded this application. Now, once you've downloaded this app, you need to go to that folder and install this application. Now, right here, you need to complete the setup, so you just need to click on this next button. Then read the terms and accept the agreement. Now click on next and then next. And here you can uncheck this one and click next. And then click again next. And it will start to extracting the files on your computer. And finally, the app is installed now on your computer. So let's get started. So click this button, get started to use this voice mod. Now here you need to complete the information. Just click on this option right here. So continue and then continue button right here. And here you need to set up your microphone. As you can see, you need to choose the voice changer voice mod. And then once you've done right here, you need to click on continue button. Now, once you've done on the setup, you need to click on this explore your sounds to connect your voice mod on your Roblox. So as you can see here, the dashboard. Now we want to go here on soundboard. As you can see, just click this option here. Now you need to add your music. You just need to click this browse files and just choose the file or mp3 that you want to add on your voice mod, so you can play that through your mic on Roblox. And so as you can see, I have added a music. So if I click on add keybind, as you can see, you can customize or edit the volume. And here you can check mute other sounds or mute voice. So depending on what settings you would like. And once you've done right here, let's open up your Roblox application. So when you open your Roblox game, as you can see, and then go to settings, you'll find an option where you need to set up your mic and your output device. So for example, you need to find the voice mod, same on the output device. So you need to find the speaker voice mod, so you can use that application and you can play music through mic on Roblox while you are playing. So that's it. That's how you basically play music through mic on Roblox. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.